Today our topic is about geometry, shapes. So I have instructed you to draw shapes with straight lines and curved lines. So what is a straight line and what is a curved line? You have already studied in your lower grade. And what do you mean by vertical straight line? Can you say? It's standing line is vertical. Standing straight line, it's vertical. What is horizontal? Yes, sleeping line is horizontal. And what is oblique? Yes, slanting line is oblique. So now what are the curved lines? It can be a curve like this, or it can be a curve like this. All these are curved lines. The second instruction I have given you is to draw a closed shape. What do you mean by open shape and what do you mean by closed shape? So open shape is nothing but I am drawing a open shape with 3 straight lines. Look at this. I have drawn a shape with 3 straight lines, but this shape is open, it's not closed. Here I draw a 3 straight lines and I am forming a closed shape. So this is the difference between open shape and closed shape. Dimensional shape and 3-dimensional shape. For example, take this. I am showing a circle cutout. Okay, does it have a third dimension called height? It doesn't have any height. And another example, a rectangle. It has a length, it has a breadth. Does it have a third dimension height? No, it doesn't have a third dimension height. Take this box. What is the shape of this box? Yes, it's cuboid. This box has a length. This box has a length, a breadth and a height. So 3-dimensional shape will have length, breadth and a height. Okay. So a square is a 2-dimensional shape because it has only length and breadth. Breadth can be also called as width. Whereas a cuboid is a 3-dimensional figure because it has a height as well. This is what we say as height. Okay. So this is 3rd-dimensional figure has height. So now we shall discuss only about the 2-dimensional shapes. I have asked you to draw a closed shape with straight lines and curved lines. So first we will see curved lines. So what are the shapes that you can draw with curved line? What is this shape called? Yes, everyone know this is circle. What is this shape and what is this shape called? No, this is not oval, this is ellipse. Remember the elliptical orbit. How does the planet goes around the sun? In the ellipse, right? This is the elliptical orbit. What does this shape looks like? It's like a egg. This shape is actually oval. So this is elliptical orbit. Remember elliptical orbit. This is ellipse. So ellipse, oval. Circle, ellipse and oval. So now we are going to see a closed shape made up of straight lines. Do you know what it is called? It has a special name. It's polygon. 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 So I have asked you to draw a shape using 2 straight lines. Were you able to do it? You cannot draw a closed shape with 2 straight lines. You can make this, you can make this, you can make this. But are they closed? No, they are not closed. So you can't draw a polygon with two straight lines. At least it needs a three straight line. So what is a three lined polygon you are able to draw? Yes, it's triangle. It can be an equilateral triangle or a different types of triangle. It can be any type of triangle. So a polygon requires a minimum of three straight lines. So you have drawn many shapes with the four straight lines. You have drawn square, you have drawn rectangle, you have drawn trapezium, you have drawn rhombus, and it goes on. So what is quadrilateral? Quadri is four. Lateral is a word from the Greek word lateralis, which means sides. So four sides. All these figures are with four sides. So all comes under all these shapes made of four straight lines are called quadrilaterals. They come under the family quadrilateral family. So next, shall we see what can we make with five straight lines? It's called pentagon. Penta is 5. So with 5 straight lines you can make pentagon. With the 6 straight lines you can make hexagon. Where have you seen hexagon? The bee's hive is hexagon. Hexa is 6. What do you mean by, what is the name of the shape formed by 7 straight lines? Heptagon. Hepta is 7. What is the name of the shape formed by 8 straight lines? Octagon. Octa is 8. Octopus. Octa is 8. Octopus is named because it has 8 legs. Octa is 8. What is the shape formed by 9 straight lines called? Nonagon. Nona is 9. What is the shape made by 10 straight lines called? Decagon. Deca is 10. What is the shape made by 12 straight lines is called? Dodecagon. Dodeca is 12. Only all these shapes have name. Apart from that, if it is formed by n number of lines, you have to call it as n-gon. For example, if a shape is formed by 11, for example, if you form a shape with 11 straight lines, then it is called 11-gon. If you form a shape with 26 straight lines, then it is called as 26-gon. Isn't it cute? Yes. So that is polygon family, and I will meet you in the next class. Thank you.